Hey there people, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Nutri-Grain bars, the blueberry made by Kellogg. Yeah, Kellogg Nutri-Grain bar, the soft baked. I really like these. I like the Nutri-Grain bars anyway, but more than anything else, I like the blueberry kind. The blueberry is my all-time favorite. It tastes absolutely fabulous. Yeah, and also what makes these very good is the fact that they're kind of filling. So if you were like in a hurry, like in the morning, and you're like rushing, trying to get yourself ready for work or whatever, and you don't have time for breakfast or anything, I'm not saying that these are like really crazy healthy for you or anything, but because they're not, but they're pretty filling. Like if you ate 2 of these in the morning, that would hold you until you could settle down and actually get a real meal inside of you. Like you could eat this while you're driving or something, on your way to work, as if it was like, some kind of a chocolate bar or something. But it's filling and it is just delectable in taste. You can get hooked on them. I eat them before I go to bed at night, and I know I shouldn't do that because there's a lot of carbs in here, and you shouldn't treat carbs that way. You need to burn those, but they taste really good, and they make you really feel full. I mean, you could probably eat something right afterwards, but it will take away any kind of hunger that feeling before you ate it. Yeah, give you the energy to actually do whatever you need to do. Now, I've eating Nutri-Grain bars, soft baked ones, for at least maybe 7 years now, and they've always been part of my diet in the late afternoon and on the weekends, and they just taste really good. They're pretty sweet, and they are nothing to be used for dietary purposes. I mean, this is not good for if you're trying to lose weight or anything like that. This is just for people on the go that want something sweet and hearty to kind of, get them through the day and try to, not the day, but like the morning or something till you can get a meal inside of you. And it's very soft and kind of chewy. Not real chewy, but, you see that? That's the texture. That's how it looks inside. And it's delicious. Anybody tries this, I challenge you to not be just totally blown away by the flavor. It's very good. Yeah. And it doesn't flake. Like if you bite it, it's going to that piece will just come off. It's not going to break into pieces like a cracker or anything. So, but it tastes really good. And Kellogg has a lot of these Nutri-Grain soft baked bars, a lot of different flavors. I've seen strawberry, and they have mixed fruit flavor, which is one of my favorite ones also. Not as good as the blueberry, but yeah. These have been around a long time too. They have been probably around for the last 15 to 20 years, and really taste very good. It is very hearty, so you're gonna feel it after you've eaten it, and like it'll lay in your stomach and kind of stay there for a while, and it'll take away that hunger. It goes really well, very well, with a nice tall glass of cold milk. Yeah, so if you want the perfect way to eat this, that's how you do it. Yeah, it's really good. I got turned on to eating these through a friend of mine that brought one to work one day, and I didn't have breakfast, and he kindly gave me one, and it was delicious, and I never looked back. It held me over until lunchtime. Yeah, it did the trick. I wasn't hungry after that. All right, well, we are talking about the Kellogg Nutri-Grain soft baked bars, and this is the blueberry flavor. All right, guys, I hope you use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.